Present arms!
So this is pretty much what you can expect during your first week or so, maybe even 2 weeks of AGBOLC. I'm even going to give you a mini tour of the hotel that I'll be staying in. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let's get right into the video. So I just got here, already met some incredible people down in the lobby. Right across the street here is where I went to basic training, or that was like my company area right there. We used to, I think it's right there. All right, it's somewhere close. It might be over that hill. And then we used to this was our run route and all of this. Then we'll go around. All right, but let me show you the room. Nice size closet. I haven't packed all my stuff up yet. Large window. Walk into the bathroom. All right, now we're going into the kitchen area. It overlooks the entire living room area, and then there's a bar. I'm able to cook, although I'm not a good cook, but we'll figure some things out. Coffee, yes. Your living room. TV again. A little office area. Got a printer that I'm gonna set up. So I don't want to forget this. There are more modern, more up-to-date hotels that you may be in when you arrive here. I think it's just a matter of availability and when your class actually comes in, because you're here with warrant officers, NCOs, captain's career course. It's just a matter of when you get in and the availability. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this mini tour. I'm gonna be checking in, I'm gonna be checking out throughout. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. All right, so this morning we are doing pool PT. Good PT today. Day 3 overall. Today was a good day. Got up this morning, went to the CrossFit gym. I was just gonna come in here and do some homework, but I really just need to lay down, and there's a number of things that I need to turn in to my instructor. I need to get some homework done. AG is super amazing, but just know when you come here, don't procrastinate, be on your stuff, and actually go home, look at your notes, see what you have to turn in, do your homework, get ahead of the game, and be really, really organized. But I'm gonna sign out for now, and I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Day 4, and we already have a PowerPoint presentation, so be ready to get in front of the class, be ready to speak, be ready to talk a lot in class, and engage. So this is pretty much what you can expect during your first week or so, maybe even 2 weeks of AGBOLC. In class, a lot of briefs, talking to different representatives, whether it's Sharp, EO, doing some classes such as MRT, and it is Friday, so we are doing a safety brief. But this is pretty much what you can expect during your first week or so, maybe even 2 weeks of AGBOLC. All right, what's up guys? So it's day 5 and I'm in a brand new hotel room. I moved out of the one upstairs on the 4th floor, and I had an amazing view. Look at my new view. Oh man. So I need to bring all that stuff down here, unpack, take this off, and head to the baseball game. Day 5, peace. Alright, what's up everybody? So it is the last day, and it also happens to be the Army's birthday today. So we're gonna do a fun run. I know some of you are like, those two words don't go together, but that's what we're gonna do today.
247 years of history that we honor today with this small run. Think about the identity of our Army and what it means to our nation. And in times of adversity, what do we hold on to? Our Army, our values, our culture, and our future.
That was a good run, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good job, son. Thank you. Victory starts here.
Right here is where we'll stop this video. I didn't show you everything that we did, but we did a lot of briefs, talked to a lot of people, did a lot of PT, more briefs, more PT, more briefs. We did some uniform inspections, but here's what I'll tell you. Make sure you build relationships with your class. You go out on outings and social events. Be social. Don't be a wallflower, but get out there and make lasting friendships and enjoy. This is a great opportunity that you have. So when you get here, make sure you enjoy and you go out and you make memories, not regrets. All right, keep leading, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.